Dumpster rental in Powell, Tennessee. For reliable dumpster rental services in Powell, Tennessee, choose Coker Waste Solutions. Whether tackling a home renovation, decluttering, or a large construction project, we have the right roll-off dumpster for your needs. Our range of sizes ensures you'll find the perfect fit for any job, from small residential cleanouts to large-scale commercial projects. Each dumpster is delivered promptly and placed with care to minimize disruption. At Coker Waste Solutions, customer satisfaction is our top priority. We make renting a dumpster simple and stress-free, with transparent pricing and no hidden fees. Our knowledgeable team is available to help you select the right size and answer any questions you may have throughout the process. We even offer flexible rental periods to accommodate your project schedule, so you're never rushed to finish. In addition to serving Powell, we provide our dumpster rental services to surrounding communities, ensuring the area stays clean and environmentally responsible. Our dedication to proper waste disposal and recycling practices helps minimize landfill impact and promotes sustainability. When you need a dependable dumpster rental in Powell, Tennessee, call Coker Waste Solutions at 865-320-0018. Let us handle the waste, so you can focus on getting the job done right.